Nothing comes from nothing, which means if you don't do anything, that you are not going to get anything. Yes, my dear friends, you heard right. To be honest, round around you, you'll find so many people who want to become pilot, professor, doctor, engineer, even lawyer. But do they really work hard? If the answer is no, then you're really so correct. They're so lazy regarding to their studies. They're so disappointed with their hard working. They're not too much hard worker. That's why they will never achieve their goals. To be honest, like this, if you really have a great passion to speak English 24 hours as well as to speak like natives, then you need to practice every single day. As well as you need to hanker after this language every single day. Also, you need to have conversation with foreign people. Unless you hanker after this language, English will never be yours. To be honest, the question is coming, how long should I hanker after this language? That's really questionable. You may hanker after this language for 1 month, 2 months, no, 6, at least 1 year. If you hanker after English for 1 year, I can say English will be very easy for you and you can speak so faster, fluently, even confidently in English. Truly speaking, my dear friends, I want to make sure for all of you that if you really hanker after anything, the God Allah will give you anything. If you do nothing, you are not going to get anything. You will get nothing. If you do something, you will get something. If you do a lot of things, you're going to get a lot of things as well. Truly speaking, that's why a proverb goes like this: as you sow, so you reap. Which means your result will totally depend on your hard work, on your work. So, if you don't do anything, nothing will come. That's why through this sentence, nothing's come from nothing, I want to make sure that if you learn English, if you want to learn English, so practice is must for you. Yes, my dear friends, you are totally right. So my dear friends, no more today because it's really coming winter. I love winter very much. Do you like or not? Let me know in the comment box. And truly speaking, do you like much of my English or not? Please let me know in the comment box as well. Kindly share this video to your friends, neighborhoods, family members, and other friends. See you later on a brand new video with much of my English with another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Oh, please share this video.